Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add a background color to the pages in Adobe InDesign. Let's get right into it. First, click on New File. In this menu, you can select your page size, but there is no option to change your page color. So how do we do it? First, click on Create File. Next, it's time to create the background color. To do that, go over to your Tools panel and find the Rectangle tool. You can also press M on your keyboard to select it. Once selected, click on the corner of your page and drag a rectangle down to the opposite corner. When you let go, the rectangle will appear. You may not notice any changes because the rectangle doesn't have any fill yet. To change the color, go back to the Tools panel and double-click the color box. This will open the color picker. Now select the color you want for your background. Now that we have the rectangle, if I drag it, you can see that it doesn't stay in place like a background, so we need to lock it so we don't accidentally move or delete it. To do this, select the shape and press Ctrl+L on the keyboard. As you can see, the background is now locked and we cannot edit or move it. With the background set, we can now add text. For better contrast, I'll select my text and make it white. As you can see, the rectangle we created now works perfectly as a background color. If you want this background on multiple pages, you can do that too. For this, go to the Pages tab. Here, you can drag the first page to this plus icon and copy it. But if you have a lot of pages, then copying isn't the ideal method. For this, you can add the background to the master page. Before we do that, we need to unlock the background first. Unlock it by pressing Ctrl+Alt+L. Now you can select it again. To apply the background to all pages using master pages, cut the rectangle with Ctrl+X, go to the master page panel and paste it there. Now go to the second master page and paste it here as well. Now when you return to your regular pages, the background color will appear automatically. When I add new pages, the background will appear on all of them. If you want to change the color later, just go to the master page and change the color. Now the changes will reflect on all pages. You can do the same for the second master page as well. And that's how you change or add a background color in InDesign. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.